Yo, what's poppin', y'all? Coming at y'all with a little unboxing video, you feel me? I got the ISR test pipes for the 350Z, you feel me? And yeah, we gonna get into this bitch real quick. Alright, press pause. This video is brought to you by Captain Morgan's and motherfucking ISR motherfucking motorsports or whatever the fuck, performance. So this muffler right here. Yo, if you look close, the welds are, they cool. You know what I'm saying? Like, honestly, I'm cheap as a motherfucker. And I need some more sound and shit. Damn, I'm kind of fucked up, huh? So I went with the ISR setup, you feel me? The blast pipes. Because I really wanted some sound out of my Z. You know what I mean? The Megan test pipes. They was cool, man. They give my car like a sound like that's been the biggest performance booster I've got on the car by far. Fucking bananas. Yo, I'm not even gonna lie. I can't even front. I am so motherfucking pumped to put these bitches on the car, you feel me? We got hella tunnels out here in Seattle and shit, hella new tunnels and shit. I was like, yo, I'm finna go down there blasting they motherfucking ass out. It's fucked up out here because on the beach, you're not allowed to have fucking loud ass cars and shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, if they can hear your car from 75 feet, it's a wrap, you get a ticket. But fuck that, we out here, it's the summer, motherfucker, it's 2019. I don't give a fuck. Like I said, I got these bitches off of eBay for like $267, you know what I'm saying? It's a decent setup. I wouldn't go and grab like the extra cheap ass ones, you feel me? Get some type of name brand or whatever, but I'm gonna hit you guys with a fucking install on these motherfuckers like tomorrow or something like that. We'll see. We out here getting faded and shit, you know what I'm saying? So maybe not. Alright, y'all. Peace out.